post graduation. My hobbies are I like singing. My hobbies are singing, painting, art and craft, and playing ukulele. Ukulele is an instrument originated in Europe. I have lot interest in knowing about the origin of Earth and civilization and
Actually,
I have a lot of interest. Yes, Shivam.
a lot of
hello.
okay.
Yes, Shivam.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm really sorry. My phone just got stuck in between.
Okay.
I was
Okay.
changing the settings.
Okay.
I was able to hear you.
Hmm. Fine. Carry on, Ankita.
Okay. I have a lot of interest in knowing about the origin of Earth and civilization, and the second field of interest is adventure sports.
Hmm.
My weakness is food. I cannot resist myself and my hunger when I see food. I'm not a sports person, but I like some sports such as badminton and cards in indoor sports. I'm not fond of reading, but I do a little reading sometimes. I read a book, Yayarvi Awarigi, writer Anuradha Benewal. It's her own story of traveling from a small town
Written by Anuradha. Written by, not पता नहीं आपने क्या बोला. Writer नहीं. Written by.
writer.
हाँ, written by.
Okay,
या बोल सकते हैं that belongs to, which belongs to writer Anuradha. ऐसे. Hmm.
okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Written by. It's her own story of traveling from a small town of India to the whole world. This is basically of her survival, of her about her survival and experience. This really inspires me a lot. I have seen a web series.
Wait. Easily, slowly, and properly. Like, I'm not able to understand some words. Yeah, for say sentence
This
ko,
is
it is a story.
basically
Hmm. Hmm.
this is basically about her survival and experiences. This book really inspires me a lot.
Hmm.
I have seen a web series long time ago on Netflix, Amelie in Paris. It's about a girl.
Wait. Whenever you say long time ago or any kind of time reference in the past, you can
Yes,
never
ma'am.
use present perfect with it. Or what is present
Okay.
perfect? Do you know the structure? Present
I have
perfect?
seen
Yeah, what is the structure?
subject plus have a second form of verb and object.
Sorry, once again.
Subject plus
Hmm.
have with third form of verb and object.
Subject plus have only. Shivam, would you like to correct something?
Ma'am, verb, third form of verb. I said.
Subject plus
Shivam,
have plus V,
we what?
uh, 3.
But that's what she said. Would you like to make some correction in that?
Um,
It's wrong. Or rather say it's incomplete.
I have has
Been,
plus third form of
s-
verb.
um, subject plus
Have and has both can be
have,
there.
Okay, ma'am.
have has been
Have
plus
and
V3
has. No
plus,
been. No been. Only have and has. Okay. It only has have and
okay,
has. Okay. You forgot has. You forgot
okay.
has. Okay. Yeah. Carry on.
Just a minute, ma'am. I'm writing it.
Hmm.
Okay. Um, a girl who got an opportunity from her employers to move from America to France and try to make a business bond in France with the
Once
people
again,
of.
easily,
Okay, ma'am.
slowly, and you have to listen to me. You have to look at me whether I have some doubt in it or not. You keep going on. Yes, slowly.
I have seen a web series in on Netflix, Emily in Paris. It's about a girl who got an opportunity from her employers to move from America to France and to try to make a bond in France with the people of French branch of their company.
Once again, this is a wrong sentence. And to move, she moved to France to try to make
From
connections
America
again.
to France and try to make a business bond in France with the people of French branch of their
Wait.
company.
With the
Hmm.
French people. That's it.
With the
With the French.
French
Not even people is required. With the French. Yeah. The French is equal to the French people.
with the French. Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Hmm.
My hometown is Lucknow. It is
Hmm.
called as Nawabon ka Sheher, the city of Nawab, because
See,
back.
I told you to, refer it in Hindi. That in Hindi it is called as, remember?
Yes, ma'am, I remember.
Yeah, then why did you make the change in that? See, when I
Mm,
tell you to make some changes in that, either you need to highlight it somewhere, right? So that you don't forget it while doing homework.
okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Refer.
Yes, quickly.
Yes, ma'am, just a minute. My hometown is Lucknow. It is called as Nawabon ka Sheher. Nawabon ka Sheher refer to the city of Nawab because
Hmm. You
back
will
in
make the
time,
changes later, right?
yes, ma'am, I have just made it.
Okay. Hmm,
It
hmm,
was
hmm.
ruled by Nawabs for years. The
It was
culture in it was ruled by Nawab for years.
Nawab or Nawabs?
Nawabs
Hmm.
for years. The culture
Hmm.
in Lucknow still has that royalty in it.
Wait. Is
Lucknow.
Ankita, look at me after every sentence, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Repeat that sentence. Hmm.
The culture in Lucknow is still has that royalty in it.
No. Uh, is and has both the both are helping verbs, right? Both cannot come together. So we will say the the
Culture
city
in
of
Lucknow.
Nawabs. Yeah. What is that sentence once again?
The culture in Lucknow is still has that royalty in it.
No. Is remove is, right? Only
Okay.
still has. That's it.
Still has that royalty in it. Tehzeeb
Royalty,
Lucknow,
royalty.
royalty
No,
in it.
royalty नहीं होता,
Royalty.
royalty. Yeah.
Royalty in it. Tehzeeb
Hmm.
Lucknow refer to the
Hmm.
politeness of Lucknow. The
Refer. Is
polite
it? Wait. What is simple present tense?
refer to the politeness of Lucknow.
What is simple present tense?
What is simple present tense? Subject
Hmm.
plus first form of verb plus object.
Exactly. Is it only first form? Shimam, is it only first form?
Ma'am, V5
Refer
too.
to
V5 also, right? So when you said refer, okay,
Refers.
so refer is what? Present. Ankita, yes or no?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now focus on the subject, whether it is singular or plural.
Singular.
Exactly. Then what should be there? Which form of verb should be there?
Refers.
Exactly. Are you
Okay.
sure it is refers or it is refers? Check it out.
Refers.
Circle it. Circle it. Check it out later in the dictionary, right? You know how to check out
Okay,
the
ma'am.
pronunciation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, carry on.
Refers to the politeness of Lucknow. The
Hmm.
politeness and behavior among residents is still same.
Hmm.
My country, India, has so many names and each name has a different meaning.
Hmm.
If we talk about diversity in
Hmm.
religion, culture and even in flora and fauna,
Hmm.
India has its name on top.
Hmm.
It has bulkiest constitution in the world. Our
The
con- uh,
bulkiest. Beta, look at me. The bulkiest.
it has the bulkiest constitution in the world.
Hmm.
Our constitution carries every single tribe, religion, culture, and their rights in it. That's why it is the largest.
Perfect.
You can find richest heritage, knowledge, and best of Ayurveda, yoga, and culture in India.
Hmm.
I am a foodie person. I like variety of food. I like both sweet and
Sorry,
spicy.
what? How did you change it? How did you change it?
Ma'am, it was before. It was before being a vegetarian always. I have removed it. I'm a foodie person. I like variety of food. I like both sweet and spicy. That's it.
But how come have you turned from your country to your food
It's the
habits?
next paragraph I have started.
So what is it about?
It's about the food I like
Okay, so I think you have already spoken about it in this session itself.
in this session. And
Yeah, you were talking about your weakness, right?
this
Food.
was my weakness.
Yes. So, it's better to try to put similar ideas in one paragraph.
Okay.
Okay. So, over there itself, you like it, but at the same time, it's my weakness also.
Ma'am, I need to change my device. The laptop's battery is running low.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
You'll
I'm
take two
just a
minutes
minute.
for it. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Shivam. Are you ready with homework? Have you done the homework? Transitive and intransitive verbs? I was asking you the difference
Yes,
between
ma'am.
that. Yeah. Go ahead. Tell me.
Yeah, yes, 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 ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please tell
Ma'am,
me.
transitive verbs require an object to complete their meaning.
Hmm.
Um, and intransitive verbs, I think,
Hmm. Intransitive verbs are?
ma'am,
Yeah.
I think the verbs, intransitive verbs cannot have a direct object without after them.
Yeah. Give me 5 examples of each.
Ma'am, of intransitive verbs, it will be like first one, it is he arrived
Hmm.
and the baby smiled.
Hmm.
Um,
Hmm.
apple fell from the tree
Hmm.
and I get up.
Hmm. Yes. And the other one, transitive?
I bought a car
Hmm.
and she likes or he likes chocolate.
Chocolates, not
I
chocolate.
chocolate,
Hmm.
sorry.
Hmm. Hmm.
Um, I cut my finger.
Okay. You do it.
No, never.
Make real sentences always. Yeah. Then I cut vegetables ही बोल देता अभी मुझे देख के.
I can. No,
Yeah. Then.
the man stole a bike.
Hmm.
I think
Four,
this is
five
it.
done. Yeah. Fine. Ankita, carry on.
Is
Yes,
she
ma'am.
here now?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah. Yeah. Carry on.
Okay. I'm a foodie person. I like variety of food. I like both
Hmm.
sweet and spicy. In India, we have a variety of spices and vegetables. So our food is all about an experiment of veggies and vegetables and spices.
Hmm.
I have so many memorable but there is
Moments.
one I
Moments. Moments.
moments.
Hmm.
I have so many memorable moments, but there is
Hmm.
one I would really want to talk about.
Hmm.
Is some days back we were about 16 kilometers away from our place, and it was
16,
around 9
16
o'clock in the
kilometer. Beta, look at me also. 16 kilometers.
16 kilometers away
Yeah.
from
Hmm.
our place, and
Hmm.
it was around 9 o'clock in night.
9 p.m. In night नहीं in the night है ना in
In the night.
the night अगर आप night बोलोगे वरना PM से भी काम हो जाएगा okay then
We went for a basic track. We were coming back, and it was all dark, and we
wait
were
wait
in the
wait wait
villages.
we went on a track right we don't say for a track we say on the track we are on track नहीं trek
Trek.
the spelling is TREK right
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Right.
है ना तो
Track.
उसका pronunciation track नहीं होगा trek होगा trek
Track.
on trek on basic trek
On a
yeah then
basic trek,
trek
trek. Huh. We went on a basic trek.
Hmm.
We were coming back, and it was all dark,
Hmm.
and we were in villages around mountains. There were dense jungle.
Wait. We were in villages.
Yes, ma'am.
In villages. I think we had a discussion about it, right?
Yeah.
In villages, matlab multiple villages. We
Uh,
were we were in a village surrounded by mountains. Remember? We were in a village surrounded by mountains. याद आया? We were in a village surrounded by mountains. Yeah. Then
Uh, there were dense jungle and a fine
hmm.
trail to walk.
There were or there was
There were जैसे
जंगल और
was होना
जंगल्स.
चाहिए.
हाँ वॉज
There
होगा
was
ना,
a
एक
There
ही
was.
जंगल होगा ना. हाँ. हाँ.
हाँ,
Then
there was dense jungle and a
hmm.
fine trail to walk.
Hmm. Hmm. You're saying trail, right? Trail.
Yes, ma'am.
Trail, if I'm not wrong, is the path. Is the path to go somewhere, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Carry on.
Trail to walk, and there came one turn.
Hmm.
ये सही है. And there
Sorry,
came
what?
one turn.
Yeah. सही है.
Uh, there was a huge stone, and wind was coming from all the directions. And
There was
we
huge storm,
stone,
right? Storm, right?
stone, stone,
Stone. So it's not huge. It's a big stone.
big stone.
Hmm.
And wind was coming from all the directions.
And wind
And
was
we
flowing
just
from all the direction. Wind doesn't come. Wind flows. Hmm.
was flowing from all the direction, and we
Direction or directions?
directions from all the direction.
Directions. Directions are plural, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All is plural. So all the
All the
directions.
direction.
Directions.
Ma'am, it was directions only.
Okay, cool.
Uh, and we were over there. And we were over there, all dark and windy. The sky was full of stars. The maximum number of stars I have ever seen in my life.
Once
It was
again.
so,
Once again, repeat the sentence.
the sky was full of stars, the
Hmm.
maximum number of stars I have ever seen in my life.
This second sentence has subject missing. There is no subject in this sentence.
Uh, Second, the maximum number of stars.
Yes, yes, it does not have any subject. Right? The
There
subject
were
it
maximum number
was.
of stars.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Or I had seen maximum number of stars. Something
Now,
like that. Hmm.
would I can I say something right here?
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Like the stars are always there. The visibility was there
Hmm,
at
hmm,
that
hmm, hmm.
moment.
So yeah, there was his right way to say that. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Carry on.
I had seen the maximum number of stars
Hmm. ठीक है. Fine. I had seen the maximum number of stars that night.
that
Right?
night
Yeah, yeah. Then
in my whole life होगा या life?
whole life भी चलेगा. My life दोनों चलेगा.
Okay. It was so beautiful, and it's still so fresh in my memory.
Perfect.
One of my skills are baking.
Hmm.
I love
Hmm.
baking cakes and cookies. I have learned to make them in all possible ways, with oven and without oven, etc. Oven.
It's oven. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Then
Uh, okay.
hmm.
I'm a
ठीक है.
person who love helping others in their need.
Who love is which form of verb?
Love is which form of verb?
Yeah. First
Uh,
form. It's
First,
first form. Okay.
V1.
So when it is first form, we need to check whether the subject is plural or singular.
Hmm.
So
Who is
who?
singular, so we need to write S. Who loves?
Go
Who
for it.
loves
Yeah.
helping others in their
Yeah.
need. I am ambivert. I can be both extrovert in my comfort zone and introvert in new places. So I am both. I love to
Hmm.
stay close to nature,
Hmm.
and I like to live alone and
Hmm.
observe things around me. I like writing my days in a diary, but always fails, always fail to maintain consistency.
ये हम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Why you talking about consistency?
I like writing my day in a diary,
Okay, yeah, fine. But I'm not able to
but
maintain
always fail.
consistency. Yeah, yeah,
Always fails or always fail.
yeah. Fail is a very negative word. Don't talk like that.
Okay, so what should I?
Okay. In case, first of all, you were talking about grammar, so always fail. That's fine. Okay,
Hmm.
because you are referring the subject as I. So I fail, I pass, like that. Okay, so fail is fine as far as grammar is concerned, but don't use fail. But I'm not able to maintain the consistency. Yeah, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं I am successful in maintaining the consistency as once or twice a week. ऐसे बोलो इसको. जो आप नहीं कर
I'm
पाते हो
not
ना वो
able
मत
to
बताओ, जो आप
maintain
जैसे मैनेज करते हो
consistency.
वो बताओ. No, 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 no. Don't write like this. You'll write, I'm able to maintain consistency of writing weekly. Maybe once or twice, something like that. ऐसे बनाओगे, ठीक है?
Okay.
So don't make a negative sentence. Fine. Yeah. Next.
I am able to make consistency in a
अभी
week.
नहीं बेटा, बाद में उसका भी टर्न है, शिवम का भी टर्न है ना? तो इसको
Okay,
आप
ma'am.
मतलब ऐसे शॉर्ट में लिख लो और फिर बाद में करना, आगे बढ़ो जल्दी से.
Okay. I love the smell of rain. So, I love the smell of soil after rain. I love watching birds and animal behaving naturally.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm a person who isn't perfect. I'm full of flaws and scars, but I love myself.
So
That's it.
scars, are you talking about the scars on your skin?
No, no. The scars
Then
in my personality.
oh, well, but one needs to confirm it. Otherwise, last time when you said that, I was so embarrassed to ask this question. I mean, is she talking about that? Oh my
I don't
God.
care about it.
So, but see, when you're going to speak this word, anyone would take it literally. That
Okay.
what scars she must be talking about.
So
So
I
you
can
can
write it
tell
as
flaw
I'm
is
full
a
of
simple word.
flaws.
Flaw. But why are you talking so negatively about yourself? See, I'm not perfect. See, when you see I am not perfect, grammatically it is a negative sentence, but actually you're using a word perfect in that. You're not saying I'm imperfect.
Hmm.
Are you getting it? This is what we call speak positively. So you would present yourself in a positive manner, not this way negatively. Don't use harsh words. Don't use negative words. Okay.
Okay.
So yes,
So it
I'm
will be
not
just like
perfect,
I'm a
but I love
person.
myself.
Okay.
I'm a person who is not perfect, but
But I
I
love
still love
myself.
myself. Yes, perfect.
Okay. Ma'am,
Okay.
it's complete.
Yes. Shivam ji, go for it.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I'm Shivam Bhati. My name describes my name describes me explicitly. I'm full of feathers. My name comes from
Full
Lord Shiva
of,
itself.
full of,
Feathers.
what is that word?
Feathers.
ये क्या होता है?
Feathers.
Feathers क्या
Thers.
होती है? Feathers क्या होते हैं?
Ma'am, feathers here it means I think uh, the all senses of Lord Shiva.
Feathers का actual meaning होता है जो
Yeah, that is
बर्ड बर्ड की बॉडी पे
yeah.
जो पंखुड़ियां होती है ना, इतने इतने से जो
हाँ
पंख
हाँ
होते
हाँ
हैं, वो होते
हाँ
हैं
हाँ हाँ
फेदर्स.
हाँ
तो आप अपने आप के लिए
हाँ.
कैसे रिफर कर रहे हो? मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. फेदर्स आप
Okay, I
अपने
will
लिए
cut
कैसे
this
बोल रहे हो?
line.
एक मिनट, लेट मी सी फेदर का कोई और मीनिंग होता हो तो.
Full of feathers. A
लेट्स
person's
सी.
personality.
फुल ऑफ फेदर्स. कहीं आपने सुना ऐसा?
I searched it.
फुल ऑफ फेदर्स का मतलब होता है टू बी इन वंस बेस्ट क्लोथ्स.
हाँ,
टू
that's
बी इन
also
फुल
a
फेदर.
meaning. Yeah.
मतलब
I
देखो, जब
thought
तक
that I will
आपको
add it. हाँ, that's why I thought that I should remove this.
सी, जैसे ये एक सेंटेंस है, आई लव सीइंग माय स्टूडेंट्स इन फुल फेदर, है ना? इन
Mm-hmm.
फुल फेदर. इन फुल
Fully
फेदर मतलब
dressed.
बेस्ट.
Fully
नहीं
dressed.
नहीं नहीं, नॉट फुली ड्रेस्ड. यहाँ पे इसका मतलब है
Sorry.
बेस्ट क्लोथ्स में. ओके, प्रॉम,
Best
एट
clothes.
द प्रॉम, या बेस्ट क्लोथ में. इसका कोई और मीनिंग मुझे मिल
Okay.
नहीं रहा.
Um, I'll leave it.
या Okay. बोलना क्या चाहते हो ये बताओ. I'll try to help you out.
Um, the person who have a good communication skills, kind of सब चीज में संपूर्ण
सर्वगुण संपन्न.
सर्वगुण
Okay.
संपन्न. हाँ,
Okay. ये थोड़ा ज्यादा नहीं हो
I think
जाएगा?
I should leave this. हाँ, that's why I
Yeah.
think I should leave
Yeah.
this.
Hmm.
हाँ, okay, I think I
ऐसे
should
बोल
start
सकते हो,
again.
ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि I try my best to give. I try my best in everything. I leave no
I
stone
try my best.
unturned. I leave
हाँ,
no stone
no stone
unturned.
unturned.
Yeah.
Unturned. Yeah, I leave no stone.
In everything I
Yeah.
try.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Should I
Then,
start again?
yeah.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Shivam Bhati. My name describes me explicitly. The name itself comes from Lord Shiva. I hold a Bachelor of Arts in French honors from Amity University, Noida, and which has given me a deep understanding of French language, literature, and history. I
Wait a
completed my
minute.
senior second.
यहाँ वेट यहाँ जो आपने लिया है ना रेफरेंस लॉर्ड शिवा के लिए, तो इसको आप थोड़ा सा और हाईलाइट कर सकते हो दैट व्हाई आर यू इंस्पायर्ड बाय हिम और नॉट, इज योर फेवरेट वन ऑफ योर फेवरेट गॉड्स, यू कैन टॉक अ कपल ऑफ लाइंस अबाउट हिम, ऐसा कुछ. ठीक है,
Okay.
ये ऐड कर लेना बाद में. या
Okay. I'll just write it here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I hold a Bachelor of Arts in French honors from Amity University, Noida, which has given me a deep understanding of French language, literature, and history. I completed my senior secondary schooling from Divine Educational Institute, Sikandrabad, UP. And at present, I'm working as an intern in a Paris-based company, Le Free Hindi Paris.
आई एम वर्किंग एज एन इंटर्न.
As an intern, as an intern in a Paris-based company, Le Free Hindi Paris. There are 4 members in my family, including me, my father, my mother, and my brother. My father is an entrepreneur. My mother is a principal
An entrepreneur, the
and
principal.
entrepreneur.
या सिंपल प्रोफेशंस के लिए
Okay.
अ या एन, एंड जो बड़े प्रोफेशंस होते हैं जैसे प्रिंसिपल, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, प्रेसिडेंट, इनके लिए द. आप सुन रहे हो ना अंकिता?
Okay.
या कैरी ऑन.
Okay. My mother is the principal in senior secondary school. My brother holds a bachelor in business administration from.
Shivam has gone somewhere. He's come back.
Yeah, I am here.
Yeah. Yeah.
These
Carry
spam
on.
numbers love me a lot. Okay. My strengths are stock
You said
market.
your family members love you a lot, right?
No, I said the spam numbers loves me a lot. Okay. When I was okay. My brother holds a bachelor in business administration from Galgotia University. My skills are stock market trading and freelancing. My hobbies are playing football and cricket. I started playing football during my.
Freelancing. What do you do in freelancing? Look at me after every sentence. What do you do in freelancing?
I translate from English to French and vice versa. I have
You
taken
are a
so many projects I
translator.
have done.
You are a
Yeah,
translator. You would say that I'm a freelance translator
I'm a
for,
freelance translator.
for English and French.
Yeah. And should I add a project too?
No,
Like,
no. Actually, when you said freelancer, the freelancing, has got various professions. So in which professions?
many, various professions. Okay. My hobbies are playing football and cricket. I started playing football during my time in Dehradun, and as time passed, it became my
During my
hobby. In
beta, look at me.
I'm
During my
looking here.
time. During my time in
Yeah, during
Dehradun.
my time in Dehradun,
What do you mean by this? During my time in Dehradun?
when I was a student living in a hostel in Dehradun.
So have you mentioned it somewhere that you were over there? Have you
No,
mentioned it earlier? Then how would anyone understand that what time you're talking about? Okay, first of all, you
yeah,
need
I
to.
have mentioned it in my like turning point of life, but I think
Have you told it to me?
no, no.
Then how would I understand? How would anyone understand? Yeah.
So this
Yeah.
phase of my life is after 12th. So should I Just because it was a part of
See,
my life when I went to
you
Dehradun
need to
for a study.
introduce that, right? So I went to Dehradun for some point, and during my stay in Dehradun or during my time in
Okay.
Dehradun, you need to inform it, right? Yeah. Be
Okay.
your own listener as
Then
well. Hmm.
yeah, done.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. In earlier days, I used to go outside every evening to play football, even in monsoon season too. We used to
In
play
my
street
in
football too.
wait again. Earlier days refer to what days? How would I understand that? When you said in my earlier days, how would I understand what are your earlier days? What exactly days you're referring to as earlier? You would say
Um,
in my
the
teenage.
days in my
The
teenage.
days
Okay, my
in my
teenage.
teenage, right? Either in my teenage or in the beginning of my college years. It depends.
No,
Like what was exactly
actually,
the time?
yeah, I connected the sentence from the last one, which tells me that I am coming from Dehradun. Like I stayed in Dehradun for a part of my life.
But when you say in my earlier days, it does not refer to your days, your time in Dehradun. Okay? Or you have to mention it clearly. Okay?
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Because of the pandemic situation, I don't really get to play football now, and I really miss this. This game has taught me a lot. I learned discipline, brotherhood, teamwork, coordination from this game.
एक मिनट रुको है ना एक काम करते हैं आई थिंक आई एम नॉट एबल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट सो अब आप बोलोगे और मैं चुप रहती हूँ पहले हमने जैसे अंकिता का सुना था ना तो वैसे आपका
Okay.
सुनते हैं सर ठीक
क्या
है
हुआ?
उसको पहले पहले सुनने दो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आइडियाज कहीं मैं तो नहीं रिएक्ट कर रही हूँ बार बार बातों पे तो आप एक बार मुझे फ्लो में सुनना है
Oh, it's fine.
जैसे
Okay,
हमने
okay, done.
अंकिता का सुना था वैसे ठीक है फिर देखते हैं कि मैं कितना लॉजिकली आपको पॉइंट आउट कर रही हूँ या गो फॉर इट
Okay. So should I start from my hobbies again, or
यस नो
should I
नो
continue from the
फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग नो नो you'll start from the beginning
beginning? Okay, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Shivam Bhati. My name describes me explicitly. My name comes from Lord Shiva itself. I hold a Bachelor of Arts in French honors from Amity University, Noida, which has given me a deep understanding of French language, literature, and history. I completed my senior secondary schooling from Divine Educational Institute, Sikandrabad, UP. I am working as an intern in a Paris-based company, La Ferry in the Paris. There are four members in my family, including me, my father, my mother, and my brother. My father is an entrepreneur. My mother is the principal in senior secondary school. My brother holds a bachelor in business administration from Galgotia University. My strengths are stock market trading, and I work stock market trading and freelancing translator. I, I don't really get that word like
I am
freelancing
a
translator.
freelancing नहीं I am a freelance translator
I'm a freelance translator. Freelance translator. My
hmm.
hobbies are playing football and cricket. And I started playing football during my time in Dehradun. Corrected. And as time passed, it became my hobby. In earlier days, I used to go outside every morning to play football, even in monsoon season too. We used to play street football too. Because of the bad pandemic situation, I don't really get to play football now, and I really miss it. This game has taught me a lot. I learned discipline, brotherhood, teamwork, coordination from this game. Football, I feel really happy and satisfied after each and every match. I like traveling a lot and adventure sports too. I've done bungee jumping, rock climbing, river rafting, and trekking. In my weekends, I spend my leisure time reading books, watching movies, series, etc. I like reading literature. Um,
Yeah
in my weekend, I spend my leisure time reading books, novels, watching movies, series, etc., and listening music. I like reading literature, adventures, motivational novels, and novels related to lifestyle. Yeah.
done
No, no. My strengths are being stubborn. I don't leave things in between, and I have a never give up attitude too. I never give up on my people too. These are my strengths, and some other strengths of mine are staying calm in negative situations. These are sorry. Sometimes never giving up on my people also hurts me, and it ends up as my weakness. I focus too much on the details. This is also one of my weakness. I have trouble saying no, and I really care a lot about things. Okay, so there are three or four memorable incidents in my life. I would like to address the recent one. Last December, I and my friends went to Sangla Chitkul, Himachal Pradesh. We went there with a normal car, not a 4x4 car, and it was a bad decision.
What?
It came out,
What
yeah.
what car are you talking about?
We went there with a normal car, not a 4x4 car.
4x4 car. What is a 4x4
Like
car?
the car
It
which
has a
has
mechanism of
power
4
in
by
four
4.
wheels,
Hmm.
in all
Power
the
four
wheels.
wheels. Power. What do
Four
you
And if
refer?
wheels.
What
you
is the
break
meaning of?
it,
Like in normal cars like Swift and Creta and
no,
these
no,
all
no.
cars,
I'll tell you. If you
four
apply
wheel drive
brake, all the
and two
four
wheel
wheels
drive.
will gonna stop. And in 4 by 2, if you apply brake, the front rear wheels are gonna stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's common sense. Tires should have common sense. They should stop, isn't
No.
it? Just
Yeah.
kidding.
Okay.
बट
Okay.
ऐसा तो होना चाहिए ना मतलब टायर वो ब्रेक लगाया तो सभी को रुकना चाहिए.
No.
नहीं नहीं.
The engine only provides power to the rear wheels, not the
The
sorry,
4
front
by
wheels,
4
not the
cars
rear
are the
wheels.
most
Got
expensive
it.
one after the luxury cars
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
because
So
Like
they
ऐसा
four
are
two
by
the
wheelers
four.
ऐसा
adventure
two
cars.
wheelers
They
have
need
it,
to.
right? Two wheelers have it, right? Two wheelers में तो दोनों ब्रेक लगते हैं ना जैसे.
No, the thing is not about brake. It is about the engine power, like in which wheels, rear or front, the power goes. The
So what
engine
exactly power मतलब
shifts.
ब्रेक लगाना ना?
No, not power. The engine power, the acceleration, like which wheels,
मैं
set of
सिंपल सा
wheels
बताती
accelerate the
हूँ
car.
मैम. 4 by 4 कार वो होती है जिसमें चारों व्हील्स रुक जाएं. जैसे कि हम जब पहाड़ी रास्ता
अरे
होता है और
यार,
वो होती है ब्लैक आइस, तो सबसे ज्यादा चांसेस होते हैं गाड़ी के फिसल के खाई में
स्लिप
जाने के.
होने के. हाँ हाँ
तो
हाँ.
हमें महंगी कार चाहिए होती है जिसमें 4 by 4 व्हील्स हो और वो चारों व्हील्स रुके और खाई जो मतलब जो गाड़ी है वो फिसले ना और खाई में ना जाए. 4 by 2 में ये
गाड़ी के
होता है कि
चारों व्हील्स
आगे
में
के दो
पावर
व्हील्स
होती
को
है.
कंट्रोल करती है और पीछे की गाड़ी
देखो मैं
फिसल
दोनों
रही
हाँ.
को
है.
चांस दूंगी एक्सप्लेन करने का. पहले अंकिता को बोल लेने दो फिर
गलत
बोलना
फोर
तुम.
एक्सप्लेन
बाई
करोगे.
टू वाली गाड़ी में ये
वेट
होता है
वेट
कि
वेट. हाँ.
पीछे के व्हील्स में पावर नहीं होती है. वो अगर ब्रेक लगाएंगे तो वो रुकेगी नहीं, जिससे फिसलने के चांस होते हैं और गिरने के. इसलिए कभी भी 4 by 2 वाली कार लेके हाइट पे जहाँ पे ये ब्लैक आइस हो वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए. दिस वॉज
ब्लैक
द
आइस. ब्लैक आइस.
जो आइस काफी टाइम से
No,
पड़ी हुई हो और पुरानी हो जाए.
black ice, dry
वो
ice,
बहुत गंदी
soil. Oh,
फिसलती है.
sorry,
शिवम.
desert.
शिवम लेट हर कंप्लीट. लेट हर कंप्लीट. यस यस हाँ अंकिता
जो
बोलो.
मतलब मैम ब्लैक आइस वो होती है जो बहुत ज्यादा फिसलती है, जो काफी पुरानी होती है. जो
ओके.
हिमालयस होते हैं उन पे ब्लैक आइस होती है. वो काफी सालों
ठीक
से
है.
है. हम्म.
ओके ओके हो गया.
हाँ.
या यस शिवम.
Actually, the description was right, but 4x4 and 2x4x2 differs upon the power. Like engine provides power to the front wheels or the rear wheels. Power as in which pair of wheels accelerate the car. Like if the car has 4x4 system in it, then all four wheels will accelerate together. Like दो पहिए आगे के या पीछे के
हम्म.
साथ में मतलब वर्क करते हैं 4x4 में. अगर जैसे
हम्म.
नॉर्मल स्विफ्ट कार है तो सिर्फ
हम्म.
आगे वाले टायर्स में पावर रहती है, पीछे वाले सिर्फ मूव करते हैं साथ में, बस उनमें पावर्स नहीं रहती. फोर
हम्म.
बाय फोर कार में चारों टायर्स में पावर होती है.
देखो अब आप दोनों जो है ना पता है बिना बात के लड़ रहे हो. वो बोल रही है कि उस पे ब्रेक लगता है, आप बोल रहे हो उस पे
हाँ,
एक्सेलरेट। अब
ब्रेक सब
नेचुरल
में
बात है,
लगता है।
वेट वेट, ब्रेक तो सब में लगेगा ही ना, ब्रेक लगेगा तो
हाँ
एक्सेलरेशन भी मिलेगा ना उसको, अंडरस्टूड है ये तो।
हाँ
वो
एक्सेलरेशन
बस एक
मिलेगा
चीज
तभी तो
होती है
ब्रेक
कंट्रोल
लगेगा।
की, कि इंजन का
हाँ
कंट्रोल
वही कह रही हूँ
चारों व्हील्स
ना।
पे है या नहीं।
देखो मेरी बात सुनो, जब तक एक्सेलरेशन नहीं मिलेगा तब तक उसके ब्रेक की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। ब्रेक नहीं लगेगा
ऑब्वियसली।
तो एक्सेलरेशन, तो दोनों जबरदस्ती लड़ रहे हो बैठ के, हाँ यार।
No, really. Okay.
या या कैरी ऑन।
So where was I? Yeah, we went there with a normal car, not a 4x4 car, and it was a bad decision. It came out as a bad decision. As we started moving towards Chitkul, we witnessed heavy snowfall, and our car started sliding. At one point of time, it stopped, and it is a real incident. And I thought the dream of seeing the one of the last villages of India will stay as a dream only. Will stay a dream only. And then a ray of hope came. A group of strangers were also going towards Chitkul and they stopped to help us. They pulled our car for around 9 to 10 kilometers in that heavy snowfall with a chain, single chain. And it was all good and safe until our car started drifting. And and then this sharp left and then this sharp left turn came and I was sitting on the back seat and for a second I thought, okay, I'm going to die, and we screamed. Our driver somehow controlled the car, and
Even when it was
as
tied by the rope, right?
yeah, it
How was
just
it
slided.
possible?
It just
How was it
drifted.
possible?
I'll show you. I have a video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, then.
Okay, I thought, okay, I'm going to die. We screamed. Our driver somehow controlled the car as soon as it got stable. We all came out and we hugged each other. We screamed. We took a rest of 32, like we took a rest of an hour, and that feeling was out of the world. And we safely reached Chitkul and came back on the same day. And I think I can never forget this incident of my life. And it
Okay.
is
Okay.
so fresh in my memory.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Right, right, right. Okay,
And
so which do you, yeah, sorry, carry on.
okay. Talking about myself, what kind of person I'm a person who stays happy for no reason. I
Happy
somehow
for?
managed to give.
I stay
I'm
happy
a
for?
person I am a person who stays happy for no reason,
Hmm.
and I somehow
Hmm.
manage to keep myself motivated in bad situations too. I
Hmm.
focus too much on things. I care a lot about people around me. I love to break limits. I love challenges. I don't believe in competing with others, and I think my only competition is me. I try to be better version of myself every day, and I can entertain myself. And I'm a vibe person. I love to vibe with things around me.
I love to. Why?
Vibe.
You said I'm a vibe person, right?
I am a vibe person.
What do you mean by this? Vibe person?
I'm the person who likes to vibe in everything, like just go in the flow and do his stuff. Like I
Vibe
don't care about the
person.
surroundings when I do my work. Like I just vibe
What
with everything.
is vibe person? Vibe person, what do you feel? Vibe person is the vibe you feel about
This
a
is the
person.
biggest
Is it?
lie I have ever heard.
What?
मेट्रो पे हम
What?
लंच
What?
कर रहे थे और ये बंदा बोलता है,
Uh,
यार मेरे को ऑकवर्ड लगता है ऐसे पब्लिक प्लेसेस में लंच करने में।
so that is not a thing.
Could you please repeat that from vibe person? I am a vibe person then.
I love to vibe with things around me.
Again?
बस.
Again? Yeah, then.
Okay, आगे. Okay. Yeah. I get inspired by a handful of people and things, but my biggest inspiration is growth. The height of it, the height of it is limitless. Also, happiness and peace, and it is a ongoing cycle, I think. And I also get motivated by life itself, things I experience and have seen someone else experience, tragedies and miracles alike, and how I might feel during that time. I use all of it.
Hmm.
Um,
Okay.
my all time favorite movie is Creed, and this movie stars Sylvester Stallone and Michael B. Jordan. And in this movie is basically about boxing, kickboxing actually.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Kickboxing, right?
And in this movie, the child of Apollo Creed, the legend, wants to make his own name in that particular field, in that particular sport, and wants to build his career without having any regrets. He fights. Okay, this movie starts with the. I'm making things right now. Okay, I should
Hmm.
just. He fights for it badly until he wins the last round, and the never give up attitude of Junior Creed in that movie inspires me. I come from Sikandrabad. It is a small city in Bulandshahr district, UP. And the name of this place was given by Sikandar Lodi itself, a Mughal emperor. Sikandrabad is famous for its cuisines and sweets. People from different places come here to eat biryani and jalebis. Jalebis of Sikandrabad are very popular. There is a family in Sikandrabad who is continuing the legacy of making jalebis for around. They are making jalebis from past 150 years and still counting. Talking about my country, I belong to a country which is mixture of cultures, regions, traditions, and languages, etc. And never forget the diversity in food.
Sikandrabad, you're talking about where is it? Sikandrabad is in
Ma'am, it is in Bulandshahr, UP.
which state? Which state it is in?
UP.
UP. Okay, carry on.
Yeah. Many cultures were just only nomadic forest dwellers over 5,000 years ago.
Hmm.
Indians established Harappan culture in Sindhu Valley, Indus Valley civilization.
Hmm.
Chess was the game which was invented in India.
Hmm.
Algebra, trigonometry, and calculus. These heavy things of mathematics were originated in India.
Hmm.
If you visit to Rajasthan, you will find a temple of rats.
Hmm.
And in India, you can drive on the world's highest motorable road. The popular game Snakes and Ladders originated in India. My country was the
Hmm.
first country to mine diamonds.
Hmm.
India has 22 recognized languages, and a one fun fact about it: most of the Indians ate with only their hands.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, hand it up in my country.
Okay. Fine. Done. Good one.
Yeah.
All right. So I want Ankita to give feedback on it, and Shivam, you will not do anything. You will not say anything, right? Yes, Ankita, go for it.
Ma'am, it was kind of good, and most of the things that he said about him was correct. But one thing that I'm not shy, wala, I cannot consider it. Never.
I'm not shy. I
That I
didn't
don't
even
depend
say it.
on people. I do my work, what I'm doing.
I didn't even say it.
Wait, Shivam, wait. Yeah.
Something
Okay,
was like
carry
that.
on. Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
you got it now. What
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
talking about?
yeah. Carry on.
Yes, ma'am. That's it.
Okay, okay.
He's so shy. He's so shy.
Okay, fine. So, anything else?
Nothing.
Whatever you can comment on anything, right? Like the way he said his, if he was fumbling, if he was taking pauses, anything that you want to comment on.
Ma'am, I think the voice is not much clear. Uh, and the words were not so clear to understand.
Hmm.
That's it.
Okay, yes, Shivam, go for it. Your comment on her feedback.
First, I would like to say on mine. Actually, I got stuck in between. Like, what should I say after that? And it just went away. Went with that, and I started fumbling. And the feedback, I think she gave a good introduction, and there was some mistakes like, and you corrected them.
I'm talking about your comment on her feedback to you.
Acha,
How much do
okay.
you agree with it, or how much do you disagree with it, like that? Hmm.
Okay, I am shy of saying.
Hmm. And what about she? What
Yeah.
about
But
yes,
I
the
think
rest
I
of the
don't
people?
depend on people. I don't depend on people. Like I ask them if they have done it, but no, I don't depend on people. Like I try to do things by myself.
Okay. Did you say this, Ankita, that he depends on people? No, she didn't say that.
Actually, he said this thing that I
No,
don't
no, wait.
think about people when I'm
Did
doing
you
something.
say that he depends on people? Did you say this word?
No,
No.
no, 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 no. I haven't
Yeah,
said this.
exactly. That's it. Wait now. Yeah, Shivam,
Actually,
she didn't say that.
hmm, I said that
Wait,
he was saying
wait, wait,
I
wait.
don't think about people.
Huh? Yeah.
Just a minute, Ankita. Just a minute.
Okay,
Yeah. First
ma'am.
of all, yes,
Okay.
yes, Shivam. When did she say that you depend on people?
No, when she was just saying things like he's shy and like he's very very shy, and she said like
No, she did not
I
use this
depend on
word depend.
things.
No, no, she did not use this
Okay,
word. I remember it.
my
I know it
apologies.
has a negative interpretation. I know that.
हाँ,
Therefore, अगर उसने बोला होता तो मैं खुद ही उसको बोल देती उस चीज पे. Yes, Ankita.
okay.
What exactly? Yes, you were trying to explain something. Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, actually, he said that I don't think about people when I'm doing something. I'll do. I don't think about what they will think or what they will say.
What do you think about me?
Is
Something
she
like
there?
that.
I've
Was
always
saying.
seen this.
Yeah. Could you please repeat that because you got frozen?
Uh, you have said that I don't think about people. I don't think anything about people. I do whatever I want to do. You said that, okay? But the thing is, you think about
Yeah,
people. I said it.
yeah. No,
That you're
I
saying
when I said it, I was implying to the sentence like when I do my work, I don't think
you
about
feel
people. I
shy.
vibe with that particular thing. Okay. What else should
You
I
are
say? Like I
you are
don't wanna fight with.
conscious. What she means to say is you are conscious.
Huh.
Okay. Well, so there are many mistakes as usual. Okay. So this particular speech was for almost 20 minutes. Okay. That you need to keep with yourself for sure, both of you. Okay. But you will have to cut short it to 3 to 4 minutes.
Yeah.
We have prepared all this so that the questions can come. If in case the questions come, we should be able to answer.
Yeah, right.
Okay. But you need to cut it short to 3 to 4 minutes in the qualitative information.
Okay, done.
All right. And most of it should be for yourself. I. Most information should be about yourself.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Anything else to ask me? Do you want to ask me anything? And there are many
So,
grammatical
ma'am,
mistakes that I would take tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, tell me.
um, I wanted to ask something like, as you said that we have to cut it down in for 3 to 4 minutes. So I think the part in inspiration, books, interests, and I think the
You
part
can,
like
put qualitative information. You don't have to go that deep. So you have to
no, I'm
prepare the depth for it in case she asks you some question.
no, I'm saying that these I think these will be the questions. Like in the introduction, we will be just saying about our studies, qualification, family members,
But
and hobbies and
in order to make her ask questions, you need to touch those points.
yeah,
That's what I'm
okay.
telling you. Okay, that's what I'm telling you, that you have to
Hmm.
be ready with 3 to 4 minutes of intro. That's it. Okay, in which you will touch everything, but in brief. Okay, and that too you will discuss with me tomorrow that, ma'am, I have taken this and I'm rejecting this. You also, Ankita.
Yes, ma'am.
All right? Yeah. Tell me, Shivam.
Ma'am, yeah, earlier I was watching some videos on YouTube, regarding this IELTS only, and I was just trying to see how the interview, that particular IELTS interview goes. So I I saw like those were fake videos, like, right?
Wait.
The yeah, fake as in with the scripts, like the people do with scripts and start making videos and upload it on YouTube. So I thought, and the scores, like in one video, I saw that they have given 9 bands, and I think that person was fumbling, forgetting the words, and was using incorrect sentences. And I saw the comments also that it was scripted, and and in one video I saw that the interview started with that like, what do you think about this, what do you think about this, and it didn't begin with introduction, and then he gave the cue card thing after 10 minutes. So I just want to confirm that the this part, that this section of this speaking, like it will go in this order only, like first introduction, then cue card, and then discussion.
Yeah.
I
It
was
will be part
confused.
one. No, it will be part one, part two, and part three the same way.
Okay, ma'am. Like I was thinking, like ये कैसे हो सकता है? आइल्स के रूल्स में भी वैसे लिखा है, introduction, then cue card, and then this.
Yeah, correct. That's okay. So what is the point in that? It's okay. There can be fake
I
videos
just
as well.
wanted to confirm.
Okay. So, and the rest of the feedback by my side would be yes, as she said, you were not very clear. Your pronunciation part is really not clear. Whenever you were speaking, many things you were eating your words, you were not very clear. Your voice was not really clear. Okay. And do you remember the way she spoke? She was into it. She was feeling whatever she was speaking. Therefore, we could hear it very clearly and we could even flew by the emotions. Okay, you were more conscious कि क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, कैसे reactions आ रहे हैं. Just forget the word and just speak. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
सही है? Just forget it. It's okay.
Yeah.
आप अपना देखो, भगवान ने आपके लिए कहीं ना कोई जगह तो बनाई होगी, right?
Okay.
ऐसा. Okay. So tomorrow you are going to prepare some topics.
Ma'am, our first homework is to cut out the presentation to 3 to 4 minutes.
Yes, first is this. Second one is describe a book you have recently read. बुक के अलावा मूवी, वेब सीरीज, इनका तो रेडी है ही, वो वेब सीरीज का और बुक का आप भी रेडी कर लेंगे.
Okay.
है ना? एक आपने बताया था द
How to win friends and influence.
नहीं, the incident that you shared, the adventurous incident that you shared, right? वो आप बता दोगे, है ना? वो भी एक टॉपिक हो सकता है आपके लिए, that since you are from the same adventurous world and all. Then a piece of advice that you got.
Piece of advice.
Describe a time of the day you like. आप लोग दोनों लिख रहे हो ना अंकिता?
Ma'am, did you say something about piece of advice before that?
Yes. The
Piece of
second
advice?
topic is, describe the piece of advice you recently received.
Okay. And?
अंकिता, are you there?
Time of the day. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, आप सुन रहे हो ना, साथ में हो ना?
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing all the topics.
Yeah. Next topic is describe a time of the day you like.
Ma'am, it can be night too, like day.
Yeah.
It should. Okay.
Yeah, you can play on that because a day always has a night, night as well.
Yeah.
Then we have describe an exercise you know.
Describe an exercise. In what means?
In the what you can say about it is what it is, how is it done, when you first tried it, or what kind of people it is suitable for. Explain why you think it is a good idea. See, when you like think about something, you can get various thoughts.
Can be running.
It can be running, yes, but you need to cover all the parameters like how it is done, what is the correct way of it, what are the types of it. For example, there is brisk walking, running, jogging is different, and brisk
Yeah,
walking is different.
just talking
Jogging is different and running is different. So, what
different.
kind of people should go for it? How should they start it? What diet should they take? Like that. तो किसी टॉपिक को देके घबराना नहीं है, सोचना है. Describe a member
Ah,
of your family.
describe.
Yeah. Describe a family member who is the closest to you. Describe
Okay.
a gift. Describe a gift you recently gave to someone. Describe an interesting hobby. ये तो हमने ऐसे में भी लिखा है बचपन में ऐसे. Interesting hobby. Describe an interesting hobby.
This hobby should be ours only, right?
No, not necessary.
Any particular hobby?
Yeah. अगर आए your hobby तो फिर आपकी hobby होनी चाहिए. Describe a useful website. Describe a useful website.
Okay, done.
Describe a journey. Describe a journey that did not go as planned.
This was the one.
Yeah. Then we have describe a
It was
person.
really horrific.
I understand. Describe a person. नहीं नहीं रहने दो. Describe a
I think
language
a
you
family
have
member.
learned. Family member वाला था. Who is the closest to you?
Describe a language you have learned.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Describe French.
कितने छोटे छोटे टॉपिक्स हैं ना जिसमें मतलब ये तभी कोई इंसान तभी बोल सकता है टॉपिक्स पे जब वो वाकई में जेन्युइनली ओपिनियटेड हो, सोचता हो हर चीज को लेकर एकदम डीप डाउन थॉट्स, क्वालिटेटिव थॉट्स हो जिसके, वही इंसान बोल सकता है, जैसे कि मैं.
Ankita.
हाँ, अंकिता, undoubtedly. Describe a
Describe
song
French.
you like. Describe some good news you recently received.
Okay.
Okay, so इतने करने के बाद you will have an attitude कि हमें हर चीज के लिए बहुत क्वालिटेटिव सोच रखनी है, हर चीज के लिए, भले वो एक ओल्ड मैन हो, भले एक स्पोर्ट हो, भले एक फ्रूट हो, हर चीज के लिए.
Ma'am, any word limit?
3 to 4 minutes, that's it. Minimum 3 minutes, and this is going to be a full speech from your side, no disturbance will be there. So yes, 3 minutes, minimum 3 and maximum 4 minutes.
Describe a good news.
Yeah. Do you know the difference between vocation and vacation?
Vocation. Vocation is given to the job people who just get their free
Yeah,
time.
you understand it, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
vocation, describe a vocation you think is useful to society. And there are many topics. So it's good that you have an opinionated personality, have an opinion for everything. Yeah, tell me.
Can you please tell me something about vocation, like in a
Vocation.
particular
What is
what?
vocation?
I get the overall meaning of for regarding this, but like how to describe it?
उसको बताओ पहले vocation का मतलब क्या होता है?
Vacation is the normal thing we used to go on. We used to go. Sorry, we go.
We go, right?
Yeah, and vocation is a thing. Vocation is a kind of holiday given to the job employees, uh, like the particular holidays they get in their job time.
Vocation is simply a profession. That's it.
Profession.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vocation is any kind of work. Vocational training. तो इसका कुछ और मतलब नहीं होता है, इसका मतलब है आपको रियल लाइफ प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग. You should always go for vocational training during your internship. That's all कुछ नहीं. So they're talking about some kind of profession.
So we need to
And it
write
is not
Describe a
necessary.
vocation.
And do you?
qualification, that is,
Yeah, yeah, yes. It is a profession.
ma'am.
Okay, profession. Okay. And do you remember the difference between profession and occupation?
Profession and occupation, yes.
Yes, profession does not involve money. So they are
Yeah.
asking you this question, obviously, not to ask you which occupation are they, which occupation is the best for society. They are not talking about it. They are talking about a profession. They are talking about a vocation. So it can be none. It can be of none, matlab social worker. It can be a social worker. It can be a nun. It can be a saint. It can be a monk. It can be a student. Anything. That's up to you then. Okay. So vocation has got specialization. Profession has got specialization, specialist knowledge, which is not necessarily for money only,
Yeah.
right?
So describe a vocation which is,
Good for society or which is needed by society. Right?
for example, the NGO work.
Yeah. For example, because profession is something that
For
has got
example.
specialist training. That's it. So it can be anything. It can be an occupation as well.
Okay.
So understand it then. Okay, Esa.
I have come
Any
up
other
with
question?
mine.
Yeah, sorry.
No. I have
Okay,
come up with mine. कि मैं क्या लिखने वाली हूँ.
good. All right. So let's meet tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye bye.
Take care.
Thank you. You too.